Hey folks, Isaac Fried here talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment by Swami Pranayo Mama. It's a joke. I ain't no Swami, but I like to laugh and it's funny. So today we're talking about, what do we have here? Chapter 34. We're almost to the end of the book, The Best Medicine. So if you want to learn how to not give a fuck, you got to acknowledge sometimes there's some pain in your heart that causes you to give a fuck, and it's wise to heal that pain. The best medicine. I ain't no doctor, but my handwriting is almost illegible, so I could be. And there are many types of best medicines that people talk about. A quick review here. Love is the best medicine. Sex is the best medicine. Friendship, food, laughter, music, nature, chocolate. Chocolate is the best medicine. Qigong, hell of a good medicine. Meditation, great medicine. And so in chapter, what is it? Did I say chapter 34? We talk a little bit about each of these and mix those all together. You have one hell of a Monday morning or Wednesday morning by the lake. So thanks for watching. Pick up a copy of the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. You can click on the link right there or wherever the link is. And have a great life. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites. Real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there. And hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day.